Hello everyone, so today we will stick in most of our time in the APPRENTICE, so probably my advice will be not open the APPRENTICE, but let's try to split the screen and use some of the layout regarding the APPRENTICE. So let's try to use APPRENTICE perspective. Let's how it looks. It will be probably the perfect one. Okay, so we'll select the V-ray and maybe I will close it in order to get a bit more space in here, because we will create new shaders. Okay, so I will hide the glass for now because we won't need the glass. The glass material is perfect. Okay, so let's try to assign the materials, and let's move to my standard materials and just click the blend, and we can go even with lumber, but in case in the future we will need reflections or something like that, we can go with a blend. I don't know how many of the blend materials we will need, so I will just create some of them. Yep, great. So we can clear our untitled paper shade view, graph view. Okay, so let's start from the trees. I will isolate them. Okay, so that's everything. I will deselect the bottom part of our trees and select the personal material, rename Prisma, probably 01. For a bottom part, it will be 02. Let's assign materials and rename material. Great. So for a top one, let's make it green, darker probably. Remove at least for now, we'll remove the shininess of the material, and for the trunks, let's right click, go to the Christmas tree, and probably we will try to find some kind of brownish color, a little bit darker. Yeah, great. Remove the specularity, shininess. Great. So what we can do next, let's select our base. It will be brown, because it will be wood probably. Yep. So assign material, rename the base, probably 01. Now select something brownish, a bit darker. We'll remove reflections. Great. Okay, so let's select our sledge. Just check it how standard sledge of sound is looking. So this part is red. Wait a second, I will name it. Where's that material? Okay, right click, blend material, and sledge 01. Probably it will be red, be darker, just a bit. Okay, I will remove the shininess for this part. I've checked it. In most cases it's a dark green or a purple. So okay, let's assign material, and let's try to find some kind of maybe dark purple. Sledge 02. Okay, so probably will increase a bit the materials, I mean the shaders, in order to see better. Okay, so for this part, to assign material to, right, slash 03. Probably it will be some orange like. The orange in the orange, and the probably this color will be fine for now at least. Great. For this one will be something like yellow one. Okay, so let's assign another material. Four. Okay, so we need a yellow color, maybe lighter. Something like that. Remove the shininess. Yeah, and this process is annoying. However, we need to do that. Definitely, you can go with automatic, but just in order to have good understanding what do we have and what kind of colors we will assign. Okay, so it will be snow 01, and some kind of problem in here with our snow material. Whoops, snow. Okay, we have some kind of issues, as I can see. Yeah, let's check if the normals. Yeah, normals are inverted. So let's go and under modeling, mesh display, reverse grid. We just click sure. Awesome. Okay, so let's move to the present. So this pouch. Okay, let's find material, and it will be pouch probably 01. Great, will be red definitely. Remove shininess. Awesome. Okay, so for a presence, maybe I will select free presence. Select it. Material present 1. Red. They will be probably dark red. Maybe not so dark. Okay. Maybe something like this. Select again. And material present 02. Let's assign the color. Probably something purple will be good. And probably for this two guys which are left, we will select something maybe bluish, purple. Okay, maybe something like. It doesn't matter, you can change it as you like. Okay, we need some materials for these ropes. Yep. Okay, let's select some of them. Okay, rename rope 01. Great. Let's assign probably some kind of dark colors, dark materials. We will see. In any case, we can change it anytime. Yep. Yeah, let's add material rope 02. Let's play with it. Great. And I definitely can play with that one too. So where's the rope 1? Rope 1. Awesome. For a rope 1 we can change the math maybe something more visible, let's say. Okay, just in case, if you want, you can change in any color. So I'll just move ahead and yeah, let's move it the house. So we need one material for a chimney, definitely. Okay, rename it chimney. Maybe something like that. So we'll go to the gray side. Okay, bricks. Awesome. We need bricks. That's a different color. Okay. Do we have any new materials? Okay, let's find the shade. And maybe like that. Maybe more to the reddish side. And okay, cool. Bricks. Bricks. Let it be. Okay. In any case, bear in mind that you will assign again another shaders because we will create the shaders. I mean, we will add additional nodes. Okie dokie, so just select some parts, let's say, something like this. And let's assign a shader, and it will be house 01. Great, definitely brown, maybe darker. Yep. Okay, so select other parts. Probably even the roof and material. House 02. Let's find color, maybe something a bit lighter. Okay. Something like that. Yeah, probably I will select this part which goes inside of the house. Just select everything. I will probably expand to check if I've selected the proper part. Okie dokie. The values are 0 and out. Okay. We'll select only this part and assign the wood. What is the house material? House material. Yep. And I'll bring our roof parts back. Great. Awesome. So we need to assign darker material to the doors, the windows as well. Oh, we forgot about this part. Not selected. Where is the house? One material? Nope. Nope. No. Great. So let's select all windows, doors, and assign the probably another material. Let's assign new material and blend, and let's call it house 03, and let's play with the colors. Maybe we want something a bit different, maybe darker, like that. I don't know, just checking, playing with the colors. And we'll remove the shininess, remove distraction, let's say. Okay, and we need another material for windows. So let's assign new material, blend, let's name it windows. Great. Yellow color. Great. We'll go to the face mode, select the window area with shift definitely, and assign that yellow material for our windows. So let's check what do we have at the moment. Well, we need the assign material in here as well, so probably we will go with a darker color with a house version 2 shader, or maybe house shader 03, I don't know. Just checking, and it looks great to be honest, so we can leave it as this. Okay, so what we need to do next when we assign all materials, we will try to apply the snow. Okay, so here we push it, and in order to apply it, we have 3D textures in the Maya, and you can check what kind of nodes do you have. So in short, let's select our Christmas trees, yeah, and whoops, and now we can expand here. So try to expand it. So expand our Christmas tree node, yeah, and add this node. Awesome. Then if you can see it properly, but I will closer into the node editor, yeah, and the out color will place into the color. But before that, before I will do that, go to the Christmas tree and just open the color picker. When you will open, the color will be stored in the let's say temporary this area, yeah. And check this out. When I will select this color, the colors will be changing on our Christmas tree, and it's a simple snow color will be white. From the surface color will be your, for example, if it's a Christmas tree, we need to have any color. In our scenario, it will be green, yep. And the threshold is how much snow will cover the trees, yeah. Depth is how soft, let's say, will be, and the thickness, yeah, how thin the snow will be, yeah, how much transparency overlaying will be on the top. So I'll probably leave it like that. And as you can see, it's a simple thing, just hook up the out color of the snow into the color value of your shader. It doesn't matter what kind of shader you are using, yeah. If it's a Arnold, it will be IE, V-Ray, you can use V-Ray node. Great, so let's move to the probably the snow, yeah. And here we can go and expand our snow node. Okay, so I don't know why. Okay, I need to select it because strange. Okay, so let's assign snow node to this area, and yeah, it's a white color, so we know the value. I will hop into the color. We have a red color. Select the snow node and pick probably something bluish for a snow, yeah. And we can play with threshold, depth, probably now thickness. I won't play. Okay, so I will leave it for your taste. You can. Great. So let's move ahead and let's play with our sledge. Expand it. Why it's only okay. Blend. Select. Oops. For a color, temporary color. Don't forget to open shader in order to store it. Okay, so select it. Select the snow node. And that's it. The default values I really like, so there's no problem with that. Okay, so let's store the color, expand it, add the snow, add color hook, the colors, store it value assigned to the snow shader. Let's proceed with that. It's annoying work, and probably as you right now know the workflow, you can just wait. I will apply the snow on all the shaders. So probably I will do the time lapse. So guys, as you can see, right now we assigned, I believe, to all the areas, for all shaders, we've created additional node for snow, and now you know how this node is working. Okay, great guys, so I've just got an error and all work was lost. So I've just did the same work as you saw. On the final click, everything crashed. So basically I've remade the scene, however the colors probably not matching perfectly to the previous scene, and the naming probably the different. At least I've tried, however I don't know, maybe they are different. So hope you will understand that. Okay, so in order to proceed, what we will do next, probably for today I will close this tutorial only on this snow shader. But in the next tutorial, which is coming soon, we will check this out on a different node, which called in the 3D textures clouds. So we will create the clouds. Okay, stay tuned until the next day, till the next tutorial. See ya.